Hi guys, this is video guide to go to immigration, the new immigration headquarters. Exit B as in boy or border. Exit B
in Chung Kwan O. It's not in Kwantong. It's Chung Kwan O. Exit B1.
EWONG. So there, the immigration, the beautiful building there. When you get inside, it's super beautiful. I was there already few minutes ago and I forgot to take video, so now I'm guiding you. It's just very easy. You exit in exit B and then there, this is the area. And then the moment you are out in here, that's the building, right? Thank you guys for watching. It's very easy and very smooth, fast there. Thanks.